So autumn is in full swing. The days are getting shorter and the nights are getting longer. So it's time to give you a bit of an energy boost with a frozen scoopable acai bowl. I'm gonna make this with some fresh fruit, everything to give you that kick and that snack for the afternoon. So start with your fruit. First get the bananas. We're just gonna slice these down thinly. We're gonna get strawberries, mangoes and kiwis. So next, peel your mango. We're gonna take off that tough skin on the outside and then get rid of that big stone in the middle. Now slice your mangoes down into little pieces. So once all your fruit is chopped, it's time to get your scoopable. So get your spoonful of acai mixture and pass it onto a bowl. We're gonna get a few of those. So once you have all your scoops in there, we're gonna start decorating it with the fruit, the granola, and to add some bitterness, I've got some cocoa nibs. So you're gonna get that little bit of a crunch and a different texture in there. Now we're gonna get some granola. So just make sure you get whatever flavor granola you like. You can get nut mix, you can get fruit mix. Just make this bowl your own. So now that it's done, it's time for me to enjoy this. And remember, you can get the full recipe at mamalotties.com.